Alright, this problem here is going to be a doozy. Okay, we got find four integers whose sum is 62,046 such that the second integer is 9 more than 17 times the first, and the third integer is the sum of the first two. The fourth integer is 16 times the third integer. Man, that sounds complicated. Okay, I think I came up with this one a couple months ago. Alright, where do we even start at? Let's go to the whiteboard. Alright, so we're looking for the sum of four integers. So I'm going to call the first integer x of 1. How's that? And the second integer x of 2, x of 3, and x of 4. And then when we add them all together, we get this nice number here. 0, 46. You can throw a comma in there if you want. Alright, now the second integer, how it's going to be related to the first integer is that the second integer, that would be this one here, is actually equal to, it said 9 more than 17 times the first integer, but the way I'm going to write this is 17 times the first integer, and then we throw the 9 on the end. It's 9 more than 17 times the first integer. Alright, the third integer, x of 3, is the sum of the first two. So we could say that it's the sum of x of 1 and x of 2. Right, the sum of both of them. And the fourth integer, let's find that relationship, is 16 times the third integer. So that would be 16 times x of 3. Whoops. X of 3, not 6. Alright. Now what we're going to do is just plug this stuff directly into this up here. So I just rewrite the first integer, which is x of 1, plus the second integer, which we said was 17 times x of 1 plus 9. 17 times x of 1 plus 9 plus, now what we're really wanting to do here is we're wanting to get this thing all in terms of only one of the variables, and it looks like x of 1 at this point. Alright, let's see. So we got the first integer. This is the second integer. The third integer is x of 1 plus x of 2. And then the fourth integer is going to be 16 times x of 3. But we still need to get this thing all in terms of x of 1. So we remember we can now substitute in for x of 2 here, because x of 2 is 17 times x of 1 plus 9. So we can put 17. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to simplify this down and collect up my like terms. Okay, I simplified this down as much as I could. Remember what all this was equal to was that sum, a big number. Now I'm going to go ahead and substitute in for x of 2 and then in for x of 3. Okay, so you should have gotten this far. X of 2 is this, and then x of 3 is this here. Now we got to substitute in for x of 2 again. However, before I did that, I distributed the 16 across first. Well, I simplified this down as much as I could. Now we got to distribute this 16 across inside. Alright, we distributed across, we simplified it down. Now what you need to do is solve for x of 1. Once you've solved for x of 1, these are the number. This is x of 1 here, and then you can determine what these others are.